Task cards. All work on a work pack must be added as task cards. A task card has two text fields: task and action taken. These fields are directly used on any subcontracted purchase order as well as physical task cards issued to staff. The action taken field is used in logbook entries. It is therefore important to complete the fields accurately, as this will populate the related documents correctly. As detailed in the aircraft page, various components may be linked to an aircraft. All task cards must be linked to one of the major components on the aircraft. Task card type. Each work pack will have at least one task card that is generated when the work pack is created. Costing of the different tasks is recorded separately to assist management in keeping track of recoverable and non-recoverable costs as well as rework quality costs. The task card is configured to one of the following types. Chargeable item. Used when the cost will be recovered from the client. No charge item. Used when the cost will be included in the work pack, but not recovered from the client. Cost of quality. Used when work is done due to a quality-related issue and will not be recovered from the client. Printing task cards. When all task cards have been added to the work pack, the task cards can be printed via the Reports button from the following two pages. Task card page. Task card. This option will print the specific task card ID selected. Empty task card. This will print an empty task card page for completion of task or defect and action taken by the AME. This is useful when the AME may have to work off-site and will depend on inspection of the aircraft. Work pack page. Task cards. This option will print all task cards created in the work pack. This is used when the work pack is initially created. Completing and authorizing task cards. After creating a task card, it is then given to the AME. The task then needs to be completed. The AME will add the action taken to complete the task. The phraseology should be in the form that will appear in the logbook as a CRMA. Additional data should be filled in on the task card in the fields provided. Description of work complied with. Parts replaced including the relevant part and serial number as well as the time since overhaul and time since new. Maintenance documentation references used for the action taken. Calibrated tooling used if any. This should include the part and serial number of the tool as well as the dimensions used. Name and certification signature of the AME certifying the task. Name and certification signature of duplicate inspector if required. These task card entries may be completed directly to the database electronically on the web page, using a PC or portable electronic device and certified using the Avdex standard electronic signature function. Capture a task card. Once the engineer has filled in, signed, and stamped the printed task card, open the work pack page on AMS. Hover over Main Menu Work Pack and select Work Pack. Click on the spanner quick link to open the task card page. In the drop-down, select the task ID and description of the task that has to be captured. Select Edit or New. Fill in Action Taken field. Responsible person. Duplicate inspector if applicable. Part fitted and removed if applicable. Maintenance manual reference, etc. Click on Update at the bottom of the page. The certifying engineer should then log in and authorize the task card. Closing a work pack after all tasks have been completed. Check the following before work pack authorization. 1. Make sure all task cards have been completed and authorized. 2. Make sure that labor has been booked to the task cards. 3. Make sure all purchase orders have been received. 4. Make sure all service purchase orders have been received. 5. Make sure all parts have been issued. The certifying engineer must then log in and authorize the work pack. The admin responsible then prints the CRMA for the logbook before closing the work pack.